Today we're drinking a Bandol Big Boy. All right, welcome back to Drinking It In. I am your host, Chris Casara, and we are here to help you know more and drink better. Today we are traveling to a region in France called Bandol, which you can kind of see it's prominently displayed on this wine bottle. So Bandol is a region that is known mostly for rosés, right? But in this case, this is one of their better known, if not the best known, red wine that's based on the Mourvèdre grape from Domaine Tempier. And this is a 2012 that we had downstairs. I have an extra bottle or two of these left, so I thought it'd be good to check in on this 2012 Domaine Tempier Bandol. Again, 100% Mourvèdre. So if you remember Mourvèdre, it's a pretty dark grape, red grape, right? Lots of black fruit, some spices, just real. They can be very high in alcohol, but really luscious. Right? Very luscious wines, typically, if they're 100% Mourvèdre. In this case, so Bandol wines, when they're full-bodied reds, are typically, again, blackberries, some spices like, say fennel, anise, stuff like that, as well as just having potentially even having like a savory herbal quality. In the end, like if you're fortunate enough to buy one of these wines, it's one of those perfect wines for like barbecue, a stew, right? Or really any kind of like game meats, gamey stuff works really well. And lastly, right, if you've got something that's got a lot of cumin in it, this is going to work really well. So let's see what this wine brings to us. It's bountiful goodness. A very big blackberry and blueberry fruit salad. I feel like we're enjoying this wine somewhere near a patch of dirt, perhaps near a barn that's in the distance, right? Not too close, but there's a big patch of dirt right here, barn in the distance, and serving up blackberry and blueberry fruit salad. Oh yeah, I could smell this all day long. That's just dynamite. The tannins are still there, very present. Makes me think that this wine has a lot more time left on it. The fruit becomes more like the inside of a fruit pie on Thanksgiving. So there's now some sugar, brown sugar, kind of mixing into that blueberry and blackberry fruit salad. Maybe a little syrup in there. But this wine has all kinds of layers. That earthiness is there in the background. Very much the fruit hits you up front. The earthiness kind of, comes around the back. And it's relatively soft, even though, the alcohol is above 14%. So, I think in the end, right, if you happen to see a Domaine Tempier Bandol wine, buy it, no questions asked, right? Either the red or the rosé. So I think the rosé will actually say rosé. You'll be able to tell, right? Because it'll be in a clearer bottle, and you'll be able to see that it's rosé. But these wines, they're imported by Kermit Lynch, who's one of the better importers in the U.S. and that's another thing. You can just trust the back of the label, right? If you see something being brought in by Kermit Lynch, you're good. But in this case, go out, find some Bandol, some red Bandol, have some barbecue, and have a good summer. I'll see you soon. Thanks. Cheers. There's a playlist and a video up here I know you're gonna love. And thanks for all the likes, but if you're not subscribed, hit that subscribe button. It would mean a lot to me.